We are moving ahead with the next part of the series. We have discussed in the past about the individual series and discrete series. Now we are moving ahead with the continuous series, or it is also called as group series. So we are like going to discuss one example, and thereafter we will try to understand how to solve this type of questions if they are coming in the examinations. So let us understand the question first. The mathematics department of Green Valley Senior Secondary School analyzed the performance of class 11 students in the half-yearly examination to evaluate the overall achievements of the class. The marks obtained by the students were grouped into the class interval. The school believes that arithmetic mean provides the reliable measure of the average academic performance and helps teachers to identify the effectiveness of the class room instructions. Okay, marks are mentioned here 30, 40, 40, 50, 60, 70, 70, 80, and 80, 90. Number of students is mentioned here. So, number of students will be treated as frequency. Let us go ahead. Using the above continuous frequency distribution, calculate the average mean or arithmetic mean of the marks obtained by the students by using the assumed mean method. The question is saying assumed mean method, but we are going to solve this question in all the three methods. The solution now we are going ahead. So first step when this type of questions are coming, we will make to find out the mid value of the class interval, that is the lower limit and upper limit divided by 2 will become the mid value of that. Okay, so what is the mid value? The upper limit here, as per the question, we are having like 30 and 40. 30 plus 40 divided by 2. The lower class limit is 30, upper class limit is 40, and we will divide this and we will get this as the mid value. Okay, you will understand it in more details. Let us come ahead with the first method of calculation, that is direct method. For calculation of direct method, the formula which we are going to use is mean is equal to sigma fm divided by sigma f. M means mid value, f means frequency, and x bar means the mean. Okay. Now, how we are going to do the calculation? So table we have to copy paste. Similarly, everything will be copy paste here. And how we are going to find out? Marks is already given question, and the marks number of students is also mentioned in the question. Now mid value is the next term we have to find out. So as I told, upper limit and lower limit we have to make the total of it. 30 plus 40 will become 70 divided by 2. So it will come as 35. How it is coming? It is coming as lower limit plus upper limit okay divided by 2, right? So this is the step we have to take. So 40 here plus 50 is equal to 90 divided by 2 will become 45. Similarly, for all the terms we are going to take 90 plus 70 will become 170 divided by 2 will become 85, right? I think I don't find that any type of confusion will be there up to here. I think how marks are coming, I think you have understood, right? Now, the product we have to take. So for product, what we have to do? FM. FM means frequency is there in the question 5 and M means mid value. So 5 into 35 will become 175. 8 into 45 will become 360. 12 into 55 will become 660. And 15 into 65 will become 975. 10 into 75 will become 750. And 5 into 85 will become 425. Make a total of that so that you can find out the sigma fm value. So sigma fm value is coming as 3345. Okay, 3345. So in direct method, we have to like divide the terms. So 3345 divided by 55, you will get mean is equal to 60.82. it is coming in a good series. So after point 2, we are not going to take the values. Approximately value, we can say that 60.82, right? Now, this question is asking assume mean, and this is the solution for that. In assume mean, the formula which we are going to take is here mean is equal to x bar. Okay, x bar is equal to assume mean. I'm talking about this. Assume mean plus sigma fd upon sigma f. Okay, fd means here deviations. Okay, upon sigma f. F means frequency. Okay, so question has already given you marks and students. So first step we have to take it as mid value. Okay, mid value is 30 plus 40, same thing we have to take. So 35, 45, 55, 65, 75 and 85. And in assumed mean we have to assume one data. So I have assumed here as 65 as the mean of it. So assumed mean I have believed as 65. Okay, so 35 minus 65, here 35 is there and here 65 is there. So 35 minus 65 will become minus 30, right? 45 minus 65 will become minus 20. Similarly, 55 minus 65 will become what? Minus 10. Like that, you will subtract the values. 85 minus 65. Here, 85 minus 65 will become plus 20. Okay. Now, deviations, D value you are getting here and frequency is there. So FD means D and F we are going to multiply. So 5 into 30 is equal to 150. 8 into 20 is equal to 160. Similarly, multiply all the values. You will get here 150 plus 160 plus 120. So total will become as 430, I think so. 430. And from there we are going to subtract the 200. 200 means 100 plus 100 will become 200. So amount will come in negative 230. Okay. Frequency as per the question is 55. Now, what we have to do, put the value here. Now, in the formula, mean is equal to assumed mean as per the question we have believed as 65. 65 plus 230 divided by 55. So minus 230 divided by 55 will become minus 4.18. So 65 minus 4.18. So amount of mean as per the question will come as 60.82. Okay. Any doubts still here? You can go ahead and ask in the comments. Now let's move to the third method, that is step deviation method. In step deviation method, mean is equal to A plus sigma FD dash divided by sigma F into C. Okay. Now here again we are believing assumed mean as 65 and common difference here. C means what? I think during discrete series also I have discussed. C means common difference or common factor or common width. Okay. Now, same table, copy it, marks, students. Okay. Now, first step is find out the mid value so that you can find out the value of x. Okay. 60 plus 40 will become 70. 70 divided by 2 will become 35. Similarly, for all the numbers, lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2 will become the mid value of that terms. Okay. Now, find out the deviations. For deviations, what we have to do? We have to find out the difference. Okay. So assumed mean is 65 and we are having 35. 35 minus 65 will become minus 30. 45 minus 65 will become minus 20. 55 minus 65 will become minus 10. Okay. 75 minus 65 will become 10. 85 minus 65 will become 20. Okay. Now, step deviation we were talking about. So, step deviation means we are going to divide these deviations by the common difference. As per our question, we have kept the common difference as 10. So, minus 30 divided by 10 will come as minus 3. Very good. Minus 20 divided by 10 will come as minus 2. Similarly, minus 10 divided by 10 will become as minus 1. 0 divided by 10 will become 0. Okay, 10 divided by 10 will come as 1 and 20 divided by 10 will come as 2. So now what we are going to do, FD dash. FD dash means this step deviation D dash it is called as. Okay, so minus 3 into frequency. What is the value of frequency? Here we are having 5. I'm talking about this column and this. Multiply the value. 5 into minus 3 will become as minus 15. Okay. 8 into minus 2 will become minus 16. 12 into 1 will become minus 12. Similarly, 10 into 1, 10, and 5 into 2, 10. Okay. Right. Now, next step is make the total of this. So, total of this will become 23, 43, and divided by, sorry, from 43 you are going to subtract this 20, you will get minus 23. Okay, now put that in the formula of step deviation. So mean is equal to assumed mean plus sigma fd dash divided by sigma f into c. So assumed mean as per the question is 65 plus sigma fd dash is equal to minus 23 and sigma f is equal to 55 and common difference is 10. So we will multiply this and try to solve this. After solving you will get 65 plus, after dividing and multiplying you will get here 4.18. So 65 minus 4.18, 60.82. This is the approximate value you are getting. So using all the three methods, the answer of this will be same. Okay, there is very less chance that differences may come in mean in any of the method. Okay, very rarely the difference will come, but 99.9% possibility is all the answers will be same. Okay, till here I think everything is clear. We will discuss about the steps how to solve this type of questions in the next series. This was an introduction of continuous series. Thank you.